Hello dear students, good morning. This is Sanjay Kumar Das in front of you. Today I am here to discuss a lesson for class 9 or 10 students from first paper, and our today's lesson is May Day. Dear students, if you look you will see that you can see the page 35, and in this page you can see the lesson, and in this lesson what is written, look at the picture and talk about it. Dear students, if you go through this lesson you will be able to know about May Day, what is May Day, why we observe it, why the people of the world observe this day. You will be able to know all these things. Dear students, at the beginning of the page you can see the two questions are written. What do you see in the picture? Look at the question number 1. What do you see in the picture? Means they're talking about this picture. In this picture May Day is written. May Day, we can see that May Day is written, and a hand is there, and in the hand you can see a hammer. So this lesson is all about May Day, dear students. And now we'll see the question number 2. Look at the question number 2. Can you relate any historical event to this picture? What happened on this day? Dear students, the question is about the day, about the first day of May. Can you relate any historical event to this picture? What happened on this day? Read the text and answer the questions that follow. Dear students, May Day or International Workers' Day is observed on May 1st all over the world. Today, to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. Dear student, you have to know what is May Day. May Day means International Workers' Day. What is International Workers' Day? One International Workers' Day means May Day. So what is the date? This is the date is 1st May, means the first day of the month May. So why we observe this? We observe this to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour work day. What was the demand? Dear students, the demand was 8 hours work day. And in next sentence you can see it is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. It is a public holiday, means not only in our country, all over the world or most of the countries this day is a public holiday. So dear students, we got 3 informations. What is May Day? May Day means International Workers' Day. What is the date? The date is the first day of the month May. And what was the demand? 8 hours work day. And the 4th information is that this is a public holiday. So you should know that what is public holiday. Public holiday means you should not do any, you have nothing to do, means your official work or all the works, all the government offices are closed for this day. So this is the public holiday. Then since the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th century in Europe and the US. These students, since the Industrial Revolutions means from the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th century in Europe and the US. What is the meaning of US? US means United States of America. United States of America. Dear students, if you go through the lesson you will see that everything is written about Chicago town of America. So you will see later the workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours a day. Means they are talking about Industrial Revolution. When Industrial Revolution starts, means when does Industrial Revolution start? The date is that 18th and 19th century. 18th and 19th century. The workers in mills and factories had been working a long shift. How long they had worked? 14 hours or even more hours a day. Dear student, on next para you will see, on May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvester Company in Chicago went on a strike, demanding an 8-hour workday. Dear student, the date is written here, the 1st May 1886, and on this day, the workers of McCormick Harvester Company in Chicago went on a strike, and they were inspired by trade unions. Dear students, you should note all the informations about this topic. I am marking here on May 1st in 1886. You have to remember the date. On 1st May in 1886, inspired by the trade union, means who inspired the people, who inspired the worker of McCormick Harvester Company? Trade union, the trade union. Dear students, half of the workers at the McCormick Harvester Company in Chicago went on a strike, demanding an 8-hour work day. Dear student, 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the McCormick Harvester Company, and about 6,000 workers had joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. Who did address? The labor leaders. They urged the workers to stand together, means they told the workers to stand together, to continue their struggle and not to surrender their bosses. Here it is written, and not to give in to their bosses, means not to surrender their bosses. Just at this moment, some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. Means the students, when they are taking preparation to go on a strike, and in this meeting, on this day, some strike breakers started to leaving the meeting place. Dear students, you can see that if you have seen any protest in your area, that you are going to protest something, and most of the people are agree, but some are not. You want to go on a strike, but some want to break this type of people you can see everywhere. So just at this moment, some strike breakers, means who are not agree with them, they started to leaving the place. In next sentence, you will see the strikers went down the street. The strikers went down the street to bring them back. Means the people who are not agree to go on a strike, they are leaving the place, they are leaving the meeting, and the people who are striking, who are going to a strike, they went down to bring them back. Means they want to say that, why are you going? Why are you leaving this place? Why are you leaving this meeting? We are doing these things for you, for all the workers of our country, of the world. Suddenly, about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. The students suddenly, means all on a sudden, 200 policemen attacked them. Means the police attacked them that, why are you doing this protest? Why are you going on a strike? You should not do this. And they attacked with the clubs. Clubs means they're talking about sticks and revolvers, and you know what is revolvers, means they're talking about pistol. The students, one striker was killed instantly. One striker was killed instantly. 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded, and many of them were badly injured. How many people died on this day? 1 people, means 1 man, not 1 people, 1 man. A person was killed instantly. 5 or 6 others were seriously injured. How many people were injured? 5 or 6 people were injured. Many of them were badly injured. And the events of May 1st, 1886 is a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay, and better lives. The events of May 1st, 1886, these students, they are talking about the May Day. And this May Day is a reminder. Okay, it can remind you that workers will continue. Means if you are a worker, if you don't talk for your right, if you don't talk for your better salary, then you will be exploited until you stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay, and better lives. So dear students, hope you have understood the meaning of the topic, and if you have any query, you can knock our door and you can watch this video. If you watch this video again and again, then I hope you will be able to understand. Thank you for watching.